Hey, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today I'm going to talk about some of the great features of this Getac X500. As you well know, this thing is a beast of a laptop. I call it ultra rugged. It is the most rugged laptop that I've run into so far. And some of the features that are really nice is, the first feature that I find nice is the keyboard. It's got a number pad just like a full-size desktop keyboard. So it makes typing easy whenever you're using this laptop. The screen as well is an ultra clear screen, so it's daylight readable, and it's 15.6 inches. Very rare when it comes to rugged laptops to see a 15.6 inch screen, especially in fully rugged. Another thing that is really nice about this laptop is the handle. I mean, this handle obviously has to be beefy just to carry around 11.65 pounds if you were carrying it. But yeah, this handle is one of the better handles on the Getac laptop. Another nice thing is the Beefy port covers. I mean, these guys got it figured out when it comes to port covers. These are metal hinges here, as well as rubber bumpers and a rubber gasket all the way around the port cover. So if you take a look, these are really nice port covers. Even the back end has, behind all of their ports, like for example, it has 2 serial ports. What laptop does that? It also has 2 RJ45 jacks right here, so that if you're doing some serious networking, you can certainly do that. Another nice thing about the X500 is the number of ports that it has, and we just talked about that, the serial ports and the RJ45 jacks. But basically, it's the handle, the daylight readable 15.6 inch screen, and all of the nice port covers that come on this. One last bonus feature is the rubber bumpers that you see on the laptop corners. Now, this isn't a first for Getac. They have added these to other models, but this makes this a tank. So enjoy it. This is the ultra rugged, I'll call it ultra rugged Getac X500. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next week.